Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So viewers, today we'll say in this video, lovely viewer will see in this videos modern garden decoration ideas, landscaping designs. We will see different beautiful pebblestone home decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded all top creative and trending stylish landscaping ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish garden decoration designs, landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Today we'll say in this videos modern and creative trending landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring modern landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. Top 50 plus stylish and trending unique landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas. I'll be try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative trending home decorations ideas. I'll be try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see in this videos top creative and trending unique garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all modern home decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are my favorite collections that I'm gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end.